Hello everyone, welcome to my greenhouse. This is Katia plant scientist speaking, and today I'm going to show you my lettuce and Asian greens at the seedling stage. These pots contain a mixture of lettuce and Asian green seeds. Something interesting to note about them is that we can see their seed leaves are cotyledons. So these are the typical cotyledons of a lettuce plant. Most lettuce belong to the species Lactuca sativa. So cotyledons are different from the mature leaves, and as you can see, these don't look much like familiar lettuce leaves. They're very plain and round, kind of oval shaped. Over here, we can see the cotyledons of a typical cabbage or Asian green. Most of these are Brassica, rapa, just different varieties of it. And as you can see, the cotyledons or seed leaves of the Asian greens and cabbages have this kind of lobed kidney shape. Cotyledons are the embryonic seed leaves. These are the little leaves that are curled up inside the seed. So as soon as a seed begins to sprout, these are the very first leaves that emerge. However, if you look closely, you can see that the true leaves are starting to emerge between the two generic-looking seed leaves. This is a type of fancy Asian mustard green, and as you can see, it has more of this kind of feathery shape. If we look over here, again, we can see an Asian green that got mixed in with our lettuce somehow, that has more of the distinctive shape of turnip leaves. Over here, we can even see some true leaves. That's what the mature leaves are called. These are cotyledons, these are true leaves. This is a type of variegated lettuce, and as you can see, the very first little true leaf even has a distinctive variegation. Here again, generic cotyledons or seed leaves, distinctive true leaves. So therefore, even at this early stage of development, you can tell whether something is a type of Asian green or cabbage or a lettuce. But you have to wait until the true leaves emerge to really know what you've got. The true leaves grow from the meristem of the plant, which is the main dividing tissue of the plant that produces new cells. So these true leaves are not all folded up inside the seed. Rather, the cotyledons have to grow, and then the meristem begins dividing and producing new cells to make the true leaves. I wish you all very happy and successful gardening with your salad or any other plants that you're growing this year. Stay curious about plants, everyone.